Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade with two trades of the day on CHWY. They had earnings this morning and boom, they were up big today. So let's see what the first one was at. Here it was at opening. It ran up and it was doing what we call a bull pullback. If you want to know more about a bull pullback is go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Right here and right up here is our free chart school. Free, here we go. Here's our chart school, and there's different trading patterns that we do in the GrokGrad Trading Chat Room, and right here they are. But we're going to do what's called a bull pullback right here, bull pullback or a pullback buy. Now here's a picture of it right here. Where it goes up and it's pulling back, and it's going to, if it starts to roll back up, you want to get in. And here's a summary of what that one is. Here's some descriptions of how to use that trading setup here on different charts. And then there's a couple of examples down here. Now these ones with their black ones, those are day trading ones that I put on there from before. And these are 1 minute candles. Well, the other ones here on the other examples are daily charts where each candle is 1 day. Pattern works no matter what the time frame. So let's go ahead and go back here to the day trading chart that we were just looking at on CHWY. Doing a bull pullback. So I set a trade and let the market come to me, and here we are. Let's see, and boom, here we go. I am in now. Look at it, it's going on up. I'm in at 2017. I'm long, and I had an automatic stop set at 1% there at 1998. So it's starting to roll back up here. Now it's a new high of day here. It's doing that, and look at the volume is increasing. So we're going to go ahead and move our stop up just slightly here, staying along this. This is the 11 EMA here. Taking a little bit of risk off of the trade, and let's see what it goes after that. And it starts to work its way up here, and now it's basing here. Okay, and I'm going to bring my stop up here to break even now. Break even below the 8 EMA and the 11 EMA, and this previous resistance area here can now be support. So I'm keeping my stop here. I'm now break even, zero risk in the trade. I'm now playing on the house money. So love it when that happens, don't you? Now it's basing up here. So I have a rule that says if it high basis for 3 candles in a row, that's 3 minutes, because these are 1 minute candles, I'm going to go ahead and take out half. So I did. I took out half right here at 2077. I'm out half for 3.1%. And now I got to change the stop with the number of shares that I have left. And I'm going to pull that stop up here from break even here. I'm going to bring it all the way up here just under the 2050 support area. We'll see where we go from there. And it stayed up there a little bit more and it's starting to pull back here. So I'm going to pull my stop up here just under the 8 EMA here at 2061. Ready, and bam, there it goes. It just dropped down there and got me out. At 2060 was my fill, a 2.3% on the second half. So let's look at this first trade here. Bull pullback, got in. When it stalled, I took out half, and then it dropped back down and got me out for a total of 2.7% in 9 minutes. All right, that was a real quick trade here. But the market here was still, it had opened up down, but because of their earnings, they were up here almost 20% at the time. So then it's starting to go sideways for a while. So I said, you know what, this might take off again. So getting a trade set up to get in again, getting a trade to set it up again, and now starting to do another bull pullback here. So I got my buy trade here, right up here. If it breaks this 2040 and this 20 moving average here, I want to get in. So again, I set my trade, let it come to me, and let's see what happened after that. And boom, there, popped in there. Right now, I'm now in for a second trade at 2047. 2047, I'm now long on CHWY. Now let's take a look here. Move this down a little bit and have my 1% stop here in place right here at 37. And now I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Again, these are 1 minute candles, but just watch what happens here for a while and watch how I manage my stop. And bam, there it dropped down below this 20 moving average, which is what I was using to set my stop, and it stopped me out here at 2141 for a total trade of 4.6% in 38 minutes. Hoo-ah! Now I did speed that up there. Again, these are 1 minute candles here. That was a nice long patience trade versus the first one was only 9 minutes long, so you had to manage that one a little bit tighter here. So these two trades on CHWY were for 2.7 plus 4.6 for a total of 7.3% here on these two trades. Hoo-ah! Now in our model portfolio, if you're trading $10,000 per trade with a 1% stop, you're risking just $100 per trade. But for this particular one, if I was trading that model portfolio, I would have been about $730 in basically 50 minutes of trading. So if you want to come join us in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com. So when you get to groktrade.com, you can, oh, by the way here, if you are struggling with your trading, and you'd like to get an education that makes a big difference, take a look here at our mentoring here. You can go here to Grok Mentoring right there, or if you just go down a little bit, go to Trading Mentor. But I want to talk to the GrokGrad Day Trading Chat Room here. These are for people who have been through our mentoring program. We're in the chat room. You can join us for 6 weeks for free. So if you can be in front of the market from 9:30 to say 11:30 each day, that's Eastern time. That's, you know, for intraday trading. You can join us. It's free for 6 weeks. Just sign up right here, and we'll be glad to have you join us. It's a ego-free environment. I'm there mentoring each day. I'm not leading the room per se. I'm just there mentoring the students, and you can see what they're calling out and what they're doing. And I'm also teaching lessons all day long about different patterns and different ways to manage trades. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that you trade what you see, not what you think or feel. Trade well, and may your winners